Hey everybody, Matt here from Wheels Through Time. As many of you guys might have heard, it's our 20th anniversary, and we just recently introduced the Wheels Through Time Kickstart Challenge. Now, for many of you guys that have been here before to the museum, the place has grown leaps and bounds over the 20 years that we've been here in Maggie Valley, North Carolina. 38,000 square foot facility, and this place is absolutely jam-packed full of motorcycle history. Now, one of the most common questions that we get asked here at the museum is when we're going to expand the facility. The first step in doing that is to install a fire suppression system and update the building to code. So total cost for the project, $300,000, which is exactly why we started the Wheels Through Time Kickstart Challenge. We need your help to get there. We're just 4 days in, guys, and so far we're up to $21,760 out of $300,000 raised, guys. We're on our way to the goal, but like I said, we need your help. Longtime museum visitor Granville Tracy donated $5,000. Granville's from Miami, Florida. Super guy Granville, thank you a ton. I got so excited, I donated $5,000. We actually had a mystery $5,000 donation, so we don't even know who it is. We want to find out. If it was you, send us your Google donation receipt, and we want to recognize you. Big thank you. So guys, we got a great month planned. Big fundraiser here. It's one of the biggest fundraisers we've ever done here at the museum for one of the biggest projects we've ever done. We got a big month planned. July 2nd, we're going to be doing a live stream firing up 20 of the rarest and most significant bikes inside of the museum. You guys are going to hear history run like you never heard it before. If you can contribute to the cause, make sure you do. Visit wheelsthroughtime.com/kickstart. Make a donation today. We've got some really cool incentives that we want you guys to be a part of. And guys, big cause, preserving motorcycle history. It doesn't get any more important than preserving history, guys. Here at the museum, 375 bikes. We want to make sure that these guys are preserved for future generations to enjoy. This is what it's all about, y'all. So please jump in if you can, donate however you can, help us get to the next level, grow this place, and tune in on Saturday. It's going to be a heck of a time. Tune in all month. We're going to be cranking up a bunch of the world's rarest motorcycles, bringing exclusive content to you. And thank you guys for everything you're doing for Wheels Through Time, and help us meet that goal.